Welcome to part 2. Oh, I'm level 2, really. Okay, yo. Blah, 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 blah. Welcome to part 1 of gameplay. Yeah. In the first part, we were going into the loading screen. I was showing you all the gobble gum and the new camo I got. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. That actually happened. That actually happened. That actually happened. That freaking actually happened. How the hell did that someone... Oh, hell no. Motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, we're playing online right now, guys. Oh. Oh, hell no. Wait, how do these guys respond? Going in. Am I the only one with a new gun? Or that? Yeah. Yeah, I'm the only one with a new gun. With a gun. What's a better gun than the juggle pistol? Freaking hell, yes. Oh crap! I need max ammo now! Yeah! I'm safe. Here, I'm gonna revive him. Okay, I'm gonna go get a gobble gum. Run! Oh crap, I'm out of ammo! I'm everywhere! Crap, 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 crap. Run! Crap! Motherfucker! I'm gonna break you!